Yeah. Girl, I tried to rush you, wanted the hurt to vanish fast, like dropping coins in a machine, but it just won't last. Honey, I feel you, I've been there too. Thought love could fix me like a tune, but healing ain't a vending machine. No instant fix, no magic swoon. I keep scrolling, trying to forget your face in the crowd. My heart's still wet, I wanna snap my fingers, make it clean, but my soul's stuck in between. Take your time, sip your tea, cry in the dark if you need to be. Pain ain't a puzzle you're solving at night, it's a fire that warms and bites. Healing ain't a vending machine, can't just feed it coins and make it clean. It's tears, it's laughs, it's sleepless dreams, it's the silent space in between. Fine by now, but my heart's a storm, don't know how to patch the holes to find my peace. Girl, when will my soul release? Baby, don't rush the tide, let your heartache be your guide. Every scar, every broken seam is part of the journey to redeem. So I guess it's okay to fall apart, to take the pieces and restart. Yeah, love, just breathe, let it lean. Remember, healing ain't a vending machine. Healing ain't a vending machine, can't just feed it coins and make it clean. It's tears, it's laughs, it's sleepless dreams, it's the silence